Let me tell you, no matter the cooking method, a great spice rub is going to continue to get people back to the table and want more. I'm working with pork this time around, so I've created an all-purpose pork spice rub. This is going to hit the spot, folks. So get that recipe at kcknh.com. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Now, you can't deny it. We all love spice rubs, whether you're working with your ribs, you're working with chicken, you're working with fish and beef, even vegetables. A good spice rub is definitely going to bring you back wanting more, and it just brings a whole new life to the plate. Now, if you're interested in learning about making spice rubs, I do have a great write-up on my website where we go over different foundations of how you add your spices and how much to try. And you'll also learn about binders and spice storage and the proper containers to use. So for this, we're using some basic ingredients, but there's going to be some choices you're going to have to make if you're not really into a lot of smoke and a lot of heat. So with paprika, you have to pay attention to which kind of paprika you're purchasing. And then for the hot and smoke element, we have a different elevation to the spice mix here. So you certainly have to do a little bit of homework, not a whole lot, but just be mindful to read labels. Paprika has different layers of flavor, smoke, and heat. I'm working with chipotle powder, so there's different tones to that. And it's simple. Folks, I gotta tell you, just tossing it into the bowl with my foundation approach, you really can create an amazing spice rub like we do have here. Look at the texture. That is incredible. And when it grills up, it's so beautiful. And the flavor, it will just drive you crazy. I certainly hope you'll give this a shot and let me know in the comments how it came out.